back to Kawaii Toy Collector. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make no glue salt slime. So yeah, also guys, the hashtag notifications got from my last week's video is... Also, please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below if you have some video ideas. So let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make no glue salt slime. I haven't done a recipe like this in a while, and you guys seem to be loving my older no glue salt slime recipe, so today I thought I would show you guys an updated one. So the ingredients you guys need to make this no glue slime recipe today is any type of shampoo. I'm using the Suave one. You guys will need salt. You can use any type of salt, table salt or kosher salt, whichever one you want to use is fine. You guys will need a butter plate to make your slime in, a mixing tool, and optional is food coloring, and I'm just using this pink one. I hope you guys are having a great Christmas Eve. That's when I am uploading this video today, and if it's not Christmas Eve, I just hope you're having a great day. But the first thing you guys have to do for this no glue slime recipe is add your soap into your butter plate, and that looks like just enough. And now this is the optional part for whoever wants to add food coloring into there. I'm going to add a little bit of food coloring, and I don't want to get it all messy all over me, so I'm going to add a little dot of it if I can get it out. Okay, that looks like just enough. It took a little bit. And now I'm just going to mix this up till it gets all bubbly and mixed all together. Okay, that looks like it's mixed just enough, and you can already see it's already getting super thickened. That's why I love Suave shampoo, because it works amazing for no glue slime recipes. And after mixing that up, what you're going to do now to make this into salt slime is, oh my gosh, that went everywhere, is you're going to add your salt into your butter plate. And I'm going to zoom that in, and I'm going to put the salt into my hand. Now you can see the salt is all over there. And you just need a pinch of salt. This is basically the activator for this no glue slime recipe. I'm just going to do 2 pinches. That looks like just enough. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix the salt right into the soap. Okay, that is just enough mixing. And here it is now. Now I can touch it and it's not going to stick to me that much. But to make this recipe work even better, I'm going to put this into the refrigerator for about 3 hours. Every 30 minutes, I'm going to take a look at it and make sure it's working. If it looks like it needs more soap, add more salt. If it looks like it's a little bit too, liquidy, add a little bit of salt into it. So yeah, so I'll see you guys in about a second when this no glue slime recipe is done. Remember, 3 hours in the refrigerator, not the freezer. So I'll see you guys in about a second. Okay guys, 3 hours later, here is the soap. I'm so excited to get a look at it. I did add some more food coloring into this. And wow, this looks like this worked really well. I can already tell it's gonna be a little sticky, which is fine. See if I can get it all out. Look at the slime it made. That turned out incredible. I love the color on this. I'm so happy I added a little bit more food coloring. I'm just so shocked with it. I'm sorry I'm so quiet. This is a really good no glue salt slime recipe. It's still very sticky, as you can tell by my hands. But this recipe turned out great, and it was a huge win-win for me. But yeah, this recipe was a win-win for me. I really hope you guys like this recipe. I'm just really shocked by it because I haven't made no glue salt slime in a while. And for some reason, I thought it'd be a little bit of a fail, but it turned out great. Just very, very sticky. But this recipe worked out so great. I'm so shocked how stretchy it is and how slime-like it is. With just soap and salt, this made this. It's so crazy. I love making no glue slime recipes for you guys because you really don't need glue to make slime. It's so easy. You can just use household products like soap, or you can use salt even, and you'll make no glue slime so easily. But if you guys liked this video today, remember to leave a comment down below if it worked for you for this recipe. If it didn't work for you, please leave a comment down below as well, and I will try to give you some helpful ways on how to make this slime recipe work. Also, I want to say, on a lot of my recent YouTube videos, my comment section have been getting turned off. It's just a YouTube guideline thing, but if you guys want to leave comments for me to give some helpful feedback, or you just want to leave a comment for me, check out my community tab, which is on my YouTube page. It's in the corner. It says community, and I will leave a post right when I upload this video for you guys to comment on, and I will give you guys some feedback. But after all that rambling, remember to please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below. Give us some video ideas. Bye guys, I love you so much in peace, and remember to leave a like for no glue slime recipes. And yeah, also guys, I hope you guys have a great Christmas. It's Christmas Eve for me today, as I said before. And if you don't celebrate Christmas, or it's just a normal day for you, I hope you have a great day. Yeah, bye guys, love you in peace, and thumbs up for no glue slime recipes.